traders. In today's video, we'll be looking at the HMA Color NRP Indicator for MT4. This tool plots a whole moving average that changes color with the trend direction and does not repaint, giving you a smooth, fast trend line that stays fixed once a bar closes. I just want to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the HMA Color NRP Indicator draws a single whole moving average line directly on your chart, switching color according to the current trend, that is bullish or bearish trend. As you can see on the chart, the green segment shows a bullish phase, while the red segment shows or indicates a bearish phase, as we can see over here on the chart. So you can instantly see whether price is in an uptrend currently or a downtrend. Because it is non-repainting, once the bar closes, the color and position of the line for that bar remain fixed, giving you a stable view of past signals. And let me show you an example of what I mean over here. The bar closed and it was going in a downtrend before an uptrend, and it does not repaint, or it did not repaint in that scenario. If we move over to the settings, we have the HMA period, the price type, and the method. We also have the color of the moving average line. And let's proceed. The indicator uses the whole moving average formula, which reduces lag compared to traditional moving averages and reacts faster to price changes. The color logic is tied to the slope and direction of the HMA, automatically flipping between red and green as the trend shifts. Traders can adjust the HMA period and visual settings, but the clear or core idea is to keep the signals clear and non-repeating for easier backtesting and live use. Now you might be wondering who this indicator is for, or whether it's for you. The HMA NRP indicator is suited for traders who want a fast, smooth color-coded trend line that will not change historically, including intraday swing and position traders. It still lags price to some degree, can give false flips in ranging markets, and should be combined with other tools and risk management rules instead of being used as a standalone trading system. You can find the download link in the description below, and you can read more about the indicator, including pros, cons, and more strategy ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.